Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to install and use the AIPRM ChatGPT Chrome Extension. So the first thing that you need to do if you want to have this feature, all you have to do is to search for AIPRM for ChatGPT to your web browser. So right after that, you just have to click on Add to Brave. That's one at the right side of your screen, and then click on Add Extension. Okay, and then wait for a few seconds. Okay, until it's ready to use. So, for example, since we have already downloaded the extension, just click on cancel, and then you'll be able to have this feature here. So you can now use this. Okay, you can also choose the language that you want to use, then the tone, and also the writing style. This is very helpful, especially for the students and even business companies. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.